Alright, so here's the power company coming out to fix the power that's gone out here. The lines that run through the trees here and go across are down from this telephone pole to several houses up. The roof of the barn, which you see the fencing around, there was another part to the barn that's now missing. The horses are in a small paddock now. And you can see the trees. We'll walk up. You can see the well pump house is missing, or destroyed here for Jim, the neighbor. You see a power lines coming down through the tree. The whole roof of the house over here is missing for this neighbor. Trees out here in the field are destroyed. Well house, pretty well shot. It's a pretty heavy tree damage through the back. This is part of the path the tornado took. There's even some boards up in a tree up there. Snapped the top of this tree off and dropped it right on the ground. Here's the neighbor's house and the field. And you can see the path across the trees where it came in. And that's about the extent of where all the damage is.